Okay, we're going to get ready with our story now. A bird named Fern. I'm going to challenge you today. I want you to look up in the sky, since we've got a really nice, pretty sky today. And I want you to tell me what all you can see in the sky. Are there any clouds? Do they look like certain things? You can discuss that with your study buddy, or you can send me a message and tell me what things you saw. Like, see, this cloud looks like a boat. That's what we're talking about. So I want you to look up in the sky today and tell me. While we're reading today, I want us to look for these words. Okay? Bird, fern, world, herself, her, surprised, better, turned, first. And as we go, then I want you to circle them. Okay? Circle them with your pencil. All right. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. There's one of those words. Circle that word, world. One day, Fern, was Fern one of our words? Oh, yes it was. So we've got to circle Fern over here, little Fern, and one day, Fern, circle that, saw something up in the sky. What is that big white boat doing in the sky? She asked herself. Oh, there's one of those herself. Circle that. I want to find out. It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern. There you go again, Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. Fern's, there we go, circle it, wings helped her, there it is, her, climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. Circle surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. Fern, circle, was sleepy and wanted to rest. So she leaped on the bed, but she fell right through it. I see another bed, said Fern. Circle it. I will try to land on that one. But the same thing happened again. I'd better go home, cried Fern. Circle Fern. Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this. So Fern, there we go, began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned, oh, there's an UR, turned, circle that one, dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. Where were you? Asked Mom and Dad. Fern, circle, told them all about her trip. First, there we go. Yep, circle that one. First, we will dry you off, said Mom. Then we will teach you about clouds, added Dad. And that is what they did. Good job.